Hi, I'm here to help you nail your presentation at the upcoming digital conference. If you want to shine in a virtual studio like the one I have behind me, you will need three things. The first is a good light. So make sure to get one of these LED panels or just a regular light that you put in front of you. And if you wear glasses like me, make sure to put the lights a little bit higher. The second thing you will need is something you might have experienced before. I will show you here in the virtual background. If you don't have the proper setup, it's going to look like this. You might lose a part of your glasses, a part of your brain sometime. It doesn't look very professional. So what you need is two things. The first, you need a green background. You can buy one of these on Amazon. It's anywhere between $15 and $30. Make sure it's big enough to cover the whole surface behind you. And once you have that, you just want to go here, select the videos that we will give to you, and select I have a green screen. If it's not perfect, make sure here that you're selecting the right color, and then here you go. You're going to look fantastic. The last thing you need to control is the sound. So make sure you don't have a room which resonates too much. And if it's the case, buy one of those microphones. Be careful if you have a MacBook, you will need a USB microphone, and that's it. A good light, a green background, and good control of the sound will allow you to nail your presentation at the upcoming digital conference.